Aloha everybody, this is Kwanzaa from Hawaii Real Estate Exam Prep. In this video we're going to cover the basics of contracts. Firstly, what is a contract? A contract is an agreement, either written or oral, to do or not to do something. Contracts can be valid, voidable, or void. A valid contract meets all legal requirements. A voidable contract is valid initially, but can be canceled under certain conditions, such as certain contingencies not being met. A void contract is invalid from the start because it lacks a key element, such as a legal purpose. While many oral contracts are valid, most real estate contracts are required to be in writing in order to be enforceable. The statute of frauds requires that contracts like sales agreements, deeds, and mortgages be in writing in order to hold up in court. You may have heard the phrase, time is of the essence. When it comes to contracts, this means the deadlines need to be strictly followed. Failure to adhere to these deadlines could result in a breach of contract and allow the other party to cancel the agreement. If the contract doesn't specify a time frame, the law allows for a reasonable amount of time for completion. Assignment of a contract refers to transferring contract rights from one party to another. The party transferring the contract is called the assignor, and the party receiving it is called the assignee. In most cases, contracts are assignable unless explicitly prohibited. Specific performance is a legal remedy where the court forces the completion of a contract, often when a seller refuses to sell. Another contract term you need to know is rescission. Rescission happens when both parties agree to terminate the contract, returning them both to their original legal positions. Next up is bilateral versus unilateral contracts. In a bilateral contract, both parties make promises, as in most real estate contracts. In a unilateral contract, one party makes a promise only if the other party acts. An easy example of a unilateral contract is a missing dog poster. If you find the dog, the other party promises to pay you. If you do not find the dog, the other party does not have to act. You need to know the difference between an executed and an executory contract. Once all obligations have been fulfilled, the contract is executed. Until then, it is executory, meaning there are still duties that need to be fulfilled. We hope this video helped you in studying for your Hawaii Real Estate Exam. If you're looking for exam prep for the Hawaii Real Estate Exam, look no further than Hawaii Real Estate Exam Prep. Just scan the QR code or click the link in the description to be taken to HawaiiRealEstateExamPrep.com. Mahalo!